Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to make low-end laptop faster for gaming. Making your laptop faster improves efficiency, delivers smoother gaming performance, and helps keep your system in good condition. And here's a practical step guide to making a low-end laptop faster for gaming. First, update Windows to the latest version. Next, update your graphics drivers like Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA. Next, set power mode to best mode. Next is always keep your laptop plugged in while gaming. Next is enable game mode in Windows settings. Close unnecessary background apps before launching a game. Disable unused startup programs. Lower in-game graphics settings like resolution, shadows, effects, if there's any. Set your game to run in full screen. Turn off Windows visual effects for better performance. Keep your laptop cool with proper airflow or a cooling pad. Next is free up disk space and ensure enough storage is available. Use FPS boost settings inside your game or GPU control panel. Lastly, restart your laptop before long gaming sessions. Tip: if possible, upgrading to an SSD or adding more RAM gives the biggest performance boost. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.